Alright, so I officially hit 5,000 miles in the E9X M3. I know it's been a while since I made a video. In this video, I'm not going to give a review. I'm just going to change the oil. I changed it after I did rod bearings, so it's been about 4,000 miles since the last change. Everyone says 3,000. That's overkill. 5,000 is fine, especially for the updated rod bearings. So another thing is, I got kicked out of the storage unit that I was in where I've been making my videos for the last couple of years. So I'm going to be doing this in a random parking lot. It's all I got at this point. I don't have a house, so that's the only place I can go. So we're gonna find a random spot, change the oil. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, here's the setup. Car is gonna be here, and I left myself room from all angles. Nobody ever comes here, which is great, and it's past business hours, so there's some people over there, but I mean, this is perfect because no one's going to say anything. So let's get to work. Start by jacking it up. All right, so car's up in the air. I had to jack it up and then put the ramps because my car is too low. This should be pretty safe though. I loosened up here the oil filter housing, and now I'll finish up underneath. I'll drain the oil. All right, so you're gonna get an H6 adapter. It gets stuck in there, but when you take it out, you can get it out by throwing it on the ground or whatever, pliers. And it's 18 foot-pounds, so it's a little bit snug. I forgot my adapter, so I only have this tiny wrench, but it did the job. I'll finish dumping this oil and I'll get right back to you. That's a lot of oil. It's gonna go for a while. I already drained this one, barely anything came out, but back here, that's the big one. It's a little windy, which is not great, but it'll do the job. While the oil's draining, make sure to put the one rubber seal there, the other one right there, and the new filter. Then this one is with a little bit of pressure. Get it in there and press it. You gotta press it down. Let me do this off camera. Set this to 18 foot-pounds, and there it is. Don't forget to put a new copper washer on both drain plugs. It should come in the oil kit. Very, very important. Do not forget that step. All right, so the oil change was a complete epic fail. Somebody put a helicoil in one of the drain plugs, which you should never do, and it completely just disintegrated. So I cannot put the drain plug back in, therefore I cannot put oil in the car. So I am stranded here. The tow truck is going to come on Monday, and my wife came to pick me up. Nice. Anyway, the tow truck is gonna come Monday, and I'm gonna have it towed to Rogue Engineering. I already spoke to Ben on the phone. I already unplugged the battery so nobody accidentally turns it on, including me, because I'm an idiot. And I'll keep you posted on. So a little update. It's Monday morning. Of course, the one day that my car needs to be towed. So it's right over here. It's pouring. It's literally, we're going through like one of the worst droughts in the history of New Jersey, whatever. And the one day that I need it not to be raining, it's pouring, and it's gonna pour all day. So thank you very much. But anyway, I'm waiting for AAA. Tow truck's on its way. Luckily, again, my wife's old car is here, so I'm able to relax in here and drive this thing around. I let me tell you, this weekend made me realize how much I missed the ZHP, because this is such a good chassis. It really, really is. I may buy this off her. We'll see. But anyway, when the tow truck gets here, I'll keep everyone updated. All right, the tow truck is here. The rain let up, thank God. And we're gonna winch this baby on the truck. Let's go. Not the first time, certainly not the last time. All right, off the road we go. Riding in the truck. Got the car behind me. I'm gonna keep a close eye on it, make sure no one starts it. Let's go. There we go. Just a little. All right, we made it to Rogue Engineering. We're going to get it done. Oh. So a little bit left in there.
Not left in that one.
Interesting.
Careful you don't want to get sprayed by it.
That's all right. So all the threads get drilled out, then it gets retapped, and then
You tap the M14 and a half, M14 by 1.5.
M14 by 1.5.
M14
Okay.
is the size, 1.5 is the pitch,
Okay.
because that's what this guy is.
All right.
You still have the old plug?
It's somewhere. Oh, okay. Oh wow, yeah, that's much bigger.
See that?
Oh yeah. Looks like honey. Definitely don't want that going in the engine. That's just regular brake clean, right?
Yep. So I'm going to clean the aluminum off of this tap.
Okay.
And I'm going to tap it the other one. At the same time, that one's sort of drying.
And what, So the bolt that we're putting in, what kind of car does that come on?
It's actually not for a car. It's just a very specific M14 1.5 plug
Okay.
that you can't buy it at Home Depot. We get it from a fastener supply place that we use.
Okay.
A lot of the other parts that we need.
And do you stock it on your website?
No.
Okay.
No, it's stuff we just use here in the shop.
After this video, you might be getting some requests.
This is a pretty straightforward repair. I mean, it sort
Yeah.
of sucks you have to do it on a lift, but as you can see, it's a lot easier
Yeah,
to
yeah.
access this.
Yeah, I feel like I wouldn't have an issue if I had a lift.
Oh, we're almost out.
It's good to keep it clean.
Look at that. It looks like stock, right?
It does. Alright, so that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel. Also, Ben at Rogue Engineering and I are working on a project. We're going to be selling kits for the for this problem, basically. So we're gonna, or he's, I should say, he's gonna sell the tap, the bolt, and the washer that you need to get this done. I'm not sure if he wants to do it in sets of 1 or 2, because keep in mind the E90 does have 2 drain plugs and they both have the problem. So yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna edit this video, I'm gonna get it up, and until next time, oh, and actually next time is going to be the review of the E90 now that I hit the 5,000 miles. Until next time, peace.